Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making like a Greek chicken bowl, as y'all can probably see from the title. But this is gonna be like a meal prep for like the week. So before we get started, y'all, make sure y'all get my cookbook. Y'all been getting down and getting my cookbook, and I appreciate that. And I want to let everybody know, everybody that got a book, that I appreciate it so much. So do not forget, it is on Amazon and it is linked below digitally. So do not forget that, y'all. Without further ado, let's get to it.
Gotta say a word, keep giving me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody, I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love it.
Alright, y'all, so I do have chicken thighs today. You can use chicken breast if you like, but what I'm gonna do is just kind of take off some of these fat pieces. But I'm not gonna do too much to this meat because I ain't even finna do all of that. But I did already go ahead and clean it and stuff like that, so I'm gonna just trim it up, some of this fat. All right, y'all, so what we're gonna do is go ahead and marinate this meat. I'm about to marinate it overnight because I'm not cooking this today, but the least you can marinate it is at least an hour, okay? At least 1 hour. But after I marinate this, I will see y'all tomorrow to cook this. So y'all, we got about a 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil. So y'all, we're gonna do about 1.5 cups of Greek yogurt, and it's just non-fat, plain, just Greek yogurt, okay? We're gonna do about a 1/4 cup of minced garlic. Do some salt and pepper. Make sure y'all clean y'all lemon, okay? We're gonna zest some of this lemon up. Thing I could tell you about zesting your lemon is don't get down to the white part or it will get bitter. So once you get there, go to a different part. We're gonna do about a half of this lemon. And I'm going to squeeze the juice out this whole entire lemon. So y'all, I am gonna be using some of this all-purpose Greek seasoning. If you don't have this, just use whatever you got in your cabinet or get some of this. Okay, y'all, and then we're just gonna add some dill that I just chopped up. Then we're just gonna give this a mix. Y'all, anytime I make anything Greek with yogurt, oh my God, with Greek yogurt and plain yogurt, it's so delicious. Like the meat be just on point. Just want to make sure every piece of the meat is covered, y'all, and it look like it will be because it look like we got a lot of mix, but it's okay. Oh look, see how that part missed? Want to make sure everything get the crevices. Look at that. See? All right, everything should be good. I'm gonna cover this up and place it in the refrigerator. Okay, so while we wait on the meat, we're gonna go ahead and make our cucumber and tomato salad. So we're gonna add some cucumber. And then you wanna go ahead and use a tomato. You can do about 1 to 2 cups of cucumbers. I don't have that much, so I'm not using that much. And then we're gonna go with some tomatoes. You wanna go ahead and de-seed them and get the guts out. I didn't, but you wanna go ahead and do that. We're gonna add, just want to do about 1.5 cups. Then we're gonna go ahead and add some dill. We're gonna add some parsley. We want to use 1.5 tablespoons of minced garlic. Then you want to go in with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then about 2 to 3 tablespoons of this red wine vinegar right here. This is the one I'm using. 1 cup of red onion. Then we're just gonna do salt and pepper to taste. Yep. Then we're just gonna mix. Look how delicious this looks. Oh my God. Now we're gonna go ahead and start on our tzatziki sauce. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna do about 2 cups of yogurt, which I'm just gonna empty out the rest of this that I used yesterday for the marinade. I'm gonna go in about 2.5 tablespoons of minced garlic. I'm gonna add in our cucumber. 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Can y'all see that? Spilling everything, getting irritated. Salt and pepper to taste. But that means if you need a little bit more, after you taste it, go ahead and add something. We're gonna add some fresh lemon juice. Then we just want to mix. Now you just want to taste to see if you need any more salt and pepper. Well, that's good. Water test. Alright y'all, so I'm trying a new oil this time. Y'all know me normally, I'm an extra virgin olive oil, but we're gonna try this. We got the pan cooled down for about 2-3 minutes now. We're gonna add a little bit of oil. I'm scared, y'all. If it starts smoking, I'm taking it off and I'm using something else. I see the juice. It's hot, but y'all see the juice. Chicken. So then I'm gonna use some of this, y'all. Crumbled cheese. And then y'all know me, I'm gonna go in with a little bit more parsley. Alright y'all, this is how it came out. If y'all like gyros, this is going to be the meal for y'all, especially a good little meal prep for the week and stuff like that, okay? Don't forget y'all, the grocery list is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button!